go to the mountaintops. Let's go see the mountains show off. Let's go see where angels learn to fly. Let's go on a hike. Let's go see the sunset. Let's go see the sun's best. Let's go see where angels spend their time. We should go hike, we should take our one-way ticket to the sky. Summit in the night when we can see the lights. We'll take a lot of pictures, take a lot of time, man. We could just stay there, look up at the night lights as we just lay there. Thinking about our life, yeah, we could conversate there. Take a little break and we could just wait. Let's go on a hike.